Okay. So we are going to what we were revising. You all understood? Yes. We were revising ankles, vertex, arms of the ankle, then degree, then protractor. How to use protractor and how to measure the angles. Children, can you see the board?
No, ma'am. It is a white color.
Yes, it's coming. Children, you have to wait, okay? It's coming. Yes? Now you can you see the board? Yes?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
White color.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No,
Can you
ma'am.
see one green color?
No, we can only see white color. Only white color. We can only see white color.
Only white color we can. Yes, ma'am. Only white color.
Only white color?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wait, we will do one more time screen share. Okay, children, it's clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See one ankle on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I will write one P here. P. So what is this called, Ananda Krishnan? This initial point yes, Ananda Krishnan, unmute and say me the word. What is the point P is called? Vertex. Very good. So if I am writing here M and here it's N. Okay. Okay. And this how we will write the angle? We will write angle M. And the vertex will be in the middle. M N. Understood? Yes. M P N. And the letter in the middle, that is the vertex. And PM. What is that PM called, Richard?
P.
Yes.
P is called vertex.
P is called vertex. And what is PM called? PM.
PM.
That is a ray. We have learned some names for this ray.
Yes.
What's that? Bright name. Arm. Very good. Yes. Arms. So MP is an arm. And Brighton, can you say another arm from the ankle?
PN.
PN. Very good. PN. Understood? So from this figure we have P is the vertex. All the children, please pay attention. Madhavi is looking here and there and laughing. Yes, children, you have to be very attentive in the class. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand. Yes, Nandida. Can you see the board, Nandida?
Yes.
Unmute and say, Nandida.
Yes.
Yes. So what is the vertex called here?
P.
P. Very good. P, M and PN are called Agni. PM and PN are called
Rays.
rays. But in the angle, we have another name for these rays.
Arms.
Very good. So we have this arm PN. That is the initial ray. Okay. Initial ray. And this PN, that is the final ray. Final ray and initial ray.
Ma'am, PN is initial ray.
Here PN is the initial ray and
PM.
PM is the final ray.
Ray.
And we will say always the angle. How we were drawing the angle using protractor? We used to keep the protractor, the base, the center on the vertex. Yes, how like that only you are drawing. We will keep the vertex on the center of the protractor and we'll see where is the 0 degree. Yes, from there this final ray is moving till the final ray. How much this is turned? The initial ray
90 degrees.
It is 90 degree. It's right angle.
Okay, children, first now we are learning what is the initial ray and final ray, and we are going to study more types of angles. What we are going to do now? We are going to study
More
types of angles. Okay, so we have today 2 periods. In the first period, we are going to study zero angle, acute angle, right angle, and obtuse angle. Okay, so we are going to wait, we are going to study different types of angles.
Someone is making the asking sounds. Which sound is that, ma'am?
Okay, now we are going to study different types of angles. So, types of angles.
Ma'am,
Yes, children, now listen. We are going to study different types of angles. First one is zero angle. Children, now no need to write anything, just listen. Zero angle. The first one is zero angle. Second one, acute angle.
Ma'am, I can see nothing.
Acute angle.
I can see nothing.
Acute angle. Can you see the board?
Ma'am, I can see.
Who cannot see the board?
I can't.
Srihari, can you see the board?
Really?
Srihari, can you see the board? Unmute and say.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is written on the board?
Ma'am, I can see the board.
Ma'am, I can see the board.
Who,
It's not clear, ma'am. Ma'am, it's Richard and Gautam.
okay, children. Now,
Ma'am, I see the board.
It's not clear.
it's not clear. It's not clear.
We can't see nothing.
Ma'am, I cannot hear properly. Ma'am, I can hear.
Okay, okay, children.
Ma'am, I can see the board.
Can you? You cannot see the board.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, I cannot see the board.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Can
Because
you
of
see
the
me
net
now?
problems, I have not
See
got
me
this
now?
class.
No.
Can you
ma'am.
see me now?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yeah. Ma'am, an internet problem is there. Which are the two angles? No, ma'am.
Cannot see. Children, can you see me now?
Yes.
Who cannot see? Who cannot see me now? Tanya,
I
can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can see. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So what we were discussing, we were writing on the board. What we were writing on the board? Who? Bharadwaj told me. Srihari told me he can see. What we were writing on different types of angles.
Yes. Zero angle and Indian
Zero
angle.
angle,
Acute angle.
zero angle,
Acute angle.
acute angle. Yes. Now right angle,
Right
obtuse
angle.
angle. Obtuse angle. Now I am speaking to you. You will not see the board now. Now I am going to speak with you now. Okay. Now
ma'am.
what you have to do is listen to the names. These new names we have to be very attentive. Then only we will be able to understand and identify the angles. So what we are learning now? Different types of angles. So I told you what is the first angle? Zero angle. Second one,
Acute angle.
Acute angle.
acute angle. Now third one,
Right angle.
right angle. Fourth one,
Obtuse angle.
obtuse angle. Okay. Now we are going to study all these angles in detail. Okay.
Ma'am, 90 degrees right angle.
Children, can you see the board now?
Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So types of angles we have written: zero angle, acute angle. Next one, right
Angle. I couldn't hear you properly.
Right.
Keep your microphone,
Right
children.
angle.
Right
Or speaker.
angle.
For
Right
fourth
angle.
one is obtuse.
Obtuse angle.
Right.
No, I will tell you to write. Okay, wait. Okay, children, you can write these 4 types of angles in a rough book now. Children, when you are writing now in the class, don't use the notes. You have in the classes we are writing only the keywords. Only
Ma'am,
the
it's not clear,
keywords.
ma'am.
Only the keywords.
Ma'am, we just
Look at the board and write.
Ma'am, I can see the 4 things. 4 angles.
There are 4 types of those who cannot see properly. I'm telling louder. That's one is zero angle. First one is zero angle. Second one, acute angle. Acute angle.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am is talking, ma'am.
Acute angle. Can you hear me now?
Right angle is 90 degree.
That all I didn't tell. Now you are learning only the names. I will say or I will teach you all this in.
Ma'am, we need to write it.
So acute angle, right angle, then obtuse angle. Understood? Okay.
Ma'am,
Now
it's not
you
clear,
are yes.
Ma'am, can I write this?
Write only the names. Yes. All of you, please write these 4 types of angles in your rough
Ma'am,
book
it's
now.
not clear, ma'am. I can't hear.
Is it audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. It's not
So
clear.
what are the 4th? Alim, Sian, Alim, unmute yourself and tell me. What are the 4 types of angles now we have discussed? Alim?
Ma'am, it's not clear.
Pranav, can you hear me now? Pranav, you? Can you say what are the 4 types of angles?
Ma'am, I can hear you. Ma'am, it's not clear, ma'am.
is not able to see clearly? Tanya?
Tanya.
Tanya. What's the problem here? It's more children can see this properly. Ammu? Ammu, can you see the board clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ammu can
Ma'am,
see
I
the board.
can't
So,
hear properly, ma'am. It's not clear.
we were discussing. Tanya, can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
Ma'am, it's not clear, ma'am.
Okay, can you hear me now? I will send all the notes in the WhatsApp.
No, ma'am. It's jerking.
I will send all the notes in the WhatsApp. Okay, now, Ammu, tell me 4 types of angles. Ammu, please.
Zero angle,
Zero
acute
angle,
right
acute angle,
obtuse angle.
right angle, obtuse
Right
angle. Very good. So, we have learned what is zero.
Zero angle.
We are learning only the names now. Zero angle, acute angle,
Right angle.
right angle,
Obtuse angle.
obtuse angle. So, children, you know how to measure the angle. Zero angle means the measure will be 0 degree. Measure will be
Ma'am, it's
0.
jerking, ma'am. I can't still not hear. Ma'am, right angle is 90 degree.
I am coming to right angle only. Now, all the children, please mute your audio. When I speak, you have to mute your audio. Okay? When I ask you questions, when I ask you questions, you will.
Ma'am,
When I ask you questions,
ma'am,
you will unmute. Okay. Now, zero angle, the angle will be at
jerking, ma'am.
0 degree. Now, acute angle, the measure will be less than 90.
Ma'am, I can't hear properly, ma'am.
ma'am, 40 degree or 60.
Ayman, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the
Mama.
problem with Tanya's mic? Tanya, check your headset or whether you have connected to the audio of the system. Check properly. More children can
I can't hear properly, ma'am. It's jerking.
Yes, so acute angle will be less than 90 degree. Right angle, the degree measure will be equal to 90 degree. Equal to 90 degree. Now, obtuse angle
135 more than 90
greater
degree.
than 90
More than 90 degree.
greater or more
135
than
degree.
90 degree. So, types of angles, you have to remember these names.
Ma'am, it's not clear, ma'am.
Zero angle. Zero angle will be, that is, the final ray. The initial ray does not move. Initial ray does not move. That is 0 degree. Acute
Ma'am,
angle.
it's not
I
clear,
show you
ma'am. I
the
can't.
children. Please mute.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who is that? Who is calling? Who is that calling?
Ma'am.
Okay, children, please mute and listen to the. We are learning new things. So all the children has to mute. So acute angle, the angle measure will be less than 90 degree. So the initial ray and the final ray, the measure between, the angle measure between that will be 90 degree. Right angle, it will be equal to 90 degree. And what about obtuse angle? It will be more than 90 degree and less than 180. Less than 180 degree. Okay?
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, we have discussed today different types of angles. Different types of angles. What are they? Zero angle, acute angle,
Ma'am, I have
right angle, obtuse angle. What is the degree measure of zero angle? What is the degree measure of zero angle? It will be 0 degree. 0 degree. And acute angle, the degree measure will be less than
90 degree.
right angle. Right angle, the measure will be equal to 90 degree. And Alok, Alok? Can you hear me, Alok?
Ma'am, I can hear you, ma'am.
Ananda Krishnan, can you hear me?
Excuse me, ma'am.
So what is the degree measure of right angle? It will be equal to 90 degree. Very good. Bharadwaj.
Ma'am, we should write this on unruled paper.
Children, I will say all these things later. Now, Bharadwaj, can you on your video?
Ma'am, it's working, ma'am.
Bharadwaj, what is the measure for obtuse angle? It will be obtuse angle. It will be more than 90 degree. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Bharadwaj.
Ma'am.
Yes. What is the angle measure of right angle? It will be equal to 90 degree. And for obtuse angle, it will be more than 90, but less than 180.
180.
So, it's the time for winding up the session today, but we have one more.
Yes,
Have one more period.
Ma'am.
What time it will be?
240.
2:40. You will finish your lunch. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
You will finish your lunch and be prepared. Okay, don't feel sleepy and hungry. You have to be refresh yourself and come back. Yes. Now we have learned 4 types of angles. After that, we are going to learn 3 more types. Okay, we are going to learn 3 more types of angles. That is straight angle.
Notes in WhatsApp.
I will send all the notes in the WhatsApp and also the homework. Okay, the homeworks you will take the picture and send to me in the WhatsApp.
Ma'am, today.
So we will use unrolled paper. We will use unrolled paper to write all the notes.
Ma'am, today also you will give the homework. Ma'am.
Wait and see.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Today also you will give the homework.
Today also you will give the homework. You have to wait and see. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sometimes we will give, sometimes will not be give. Let
Ma'am.
me see.
No,
Okay.
ma'am,
So
give the
we have discussed what are the angles. What is an angle? What is a vertex? Arms. Now we are discussing types of angles. Today we discussed 4 types of angles. Yes.
Ma'am.
Zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle.
Excuse me,
See
ma'am.
you one more time at 2:40. Okay, children. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, 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 ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.